Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. Basically how to mute all of the sounds and unmute all of the sounds on your watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the the side button right here to open the controls center. In this menu, scroll down and find the bell icon, this one that looks like a bell. This is the silent mode icon. And if you want to mute all of the sounds on your watch, you can tap on this icon to enable the silent mode. You will see the silent mode on message, the icon will change the color, and also the icon will appear at the top of the screen. And if you go back to the watch face, never mind, it doesn't appear right here on the watch face, because usually when you turn on some kind of mode, it appears right here at the top, but it doesn't for the silent mode. So that's how you turn off the sounds. To turn them back on, you can open the control center, and then tap on the silent mode icon again. You will see the silent mode off message, the icon will go back to gray color, and the icon from the top will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.